What's up, guys? I wanted to make this video about Jasmy and just kind of tell you my thoughts on it overall, like outside of technicals and what's going on right now, because it is trading under 2 cents. It's actually trading under 0.019 cents. So it's not looking the best. I made a video the other day talking about if we get any daily candle closes below this trend line that I showed you guys as support, then I would expect Jasmy to move much lower. My next targets were about 1.6 to 1.7, and then there's very, very strong support about 1.5 pennies. Right, I've also talked about Elliott wave with you guys. We've walked through the entire wave 1 at least, and that got us to 4.4, and now we're doing an ABC correction, which is totally normal. And I said worst case scenario that I'm looking at is 1.1 to 1.2. right above 1 penny. That would complete the C for the ABC correction. So you can obviously see it behind me. This is where we're at right now. Not a detailed chart today. I'll make another video, guys, probably not today, but tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe, put notifications on. I'm gonna actually bring up the chart for you and show you where we've been closing on the daily candle closes. And then we're also gonna look at the weekly, because at this point we could really see where Jasmy is heading next, because Bitcoin isn't doing much. It's trading under 63,000. It's really just going up and down every single day. It's very volatile, and it needs to make a decision. We do have a MACD cross, which is great for Bitcoin. But again, that doesn't necessarily mean just because Bitcoin is going up that Jasmy is going to go up also. Jasmy is moving off technicals. It's very clear to see, especially with Elliott wave and this ABC correction that's going on right now. You can see we had like a false breakout, and now we're just closing below it. So I haven't looked at a chart today. It's gonna be really interesting to see where the daily candles have been closing yesterday, and especially today by 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, that's gonna tell us a lot if we're gonna go lower and if we're gonna retest the support at 1.5 pennies. And don't forget, 1.5 pennies also would be a double bottom. So we've already done it, we can do it again. But if we break that, then it would confirm to me that this is an ABC correction, and 1.1 to 1.2 is the floor for Jasmy. And of course, I'll make more videos on that and tell you when I plan to buy again. Now, Jasmy overall is a great project, great tokenomics. Max and total supplies 50 billion, circulating supplies 49.3 billion. So it gets me very excited for the future, even though this is all noise, what's going on behind me right now. But the future, and especially lockups happening in the future, if they stay on track with their ultimate plan, then it's gonna look really good for us. Guys, let me know down below, what are your thoughts on this? The chart you see behind me, what are your thoughts on Jasmy? Where is your head at right now? Because it's just up and down with Jasmy, and it is what it is, right? So I would love to get your opinion down below. And also, what is your future outlook of Jasmy? Really, where do you think this can go over the next 12 to 24 months? I understand there's a bull cycle and a bear cycle and everything, but Jasmy's use case is very significant. If you really do some research and you think about what they can really bring to the table, you think about data security and your information being very secure, and big companies are taking our information right now and you're making nothing on that. This is really what Jasmy is all about and what they're doing. And also, let's say worst case scenario, it does go down more. What is your plan? Are you going to be buying more? Because think about it like this, guys. Jasmy has already had a significant run. If you were a part of all of this, under 1 penny, you got mass gains, especially if you took any profits. So when you have an 800% move higher, 1,000% move higher, which Jasmy did, because it was less than 0.5 penny at one point and it ran to 4.5 cents. If you get 1,000% return, this has to happen. It has to correct. It has to build new levels of support. And that's all Jasmy is doing right now. So my thoughts overall, the reason I wanted to make this video is just to kind of tell you where my head is at with Jasmy. It's a waiting game. It's a waiting game for Bitcoin. It's a waiting game for Dogecoin. It's a waiting game for all of our cryptos, unfortunately. It's all going to come down to probably elections is really going to play a huge role with everything that we talk about here. But the charts do tell us a story. And right now, we'll see what happens here over the next couple days, and by the time Sunday rolls around with the weekly candle close. Appreciate you all. I hope you're having a great day so far. This is not financial advice, not a financial advisor, just my own opinion in regards to Jasmy, and we'll see you on the next one.